Hi, it's Juliet from WTI, and I have been personally targeted by mosquitoes. That is why I needed this Katchy, and that is why I will be keeping it forever. So it has caught so many mosquitoes, it's actually kind of disgusting. I was getting bit every single night in my bedroom, and since I put this out in the hallway outside of the bedroom, I have not been bit once, which is saying something. So the fan isn't loud. You leave it on automatic mode and you don't ever have to think about it. It's just there. And as soon as it gets dark, it has a sensor on the top and it turns on, just kind of like magic. So if you are looking for something to catch bugs that's easy to use, definitely get this. The sticky pads last for a really long time. I believe I've had this same sticky pad in here for 2 months and it's still like, there's space left and it still keeps catching bugs. So it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It's quiet, it's automatic, just get it. And that is my point of view.